Video is not showing anything. A black screen is there.
Black screen, na? What happened? Okay, I'm trying. Okay, let me have 5 minutes for that. Let others join. After that, we will start.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'm trying to present my PPT. Let me tell it is visible or not. Okay, I'm sharing my PPT.
Yes, ma'am.
PPT is visible.
Yes, yes, ma'am. PPT is not visible, but your screen is visible, ma'am. The screen, browser screen, ma'am.
Okay, okay, okay. Let me try again. Hmm. Okay, I think now it will be clear. Now, is it okay?
Yes, ma'am. It's clear, ma'am.
Okay,
Ma'am,
thank you,
continue.
thank you. Okay, nobody has joined. Uh, we will wait for 2 to 3 minutes. Let others to join.
Ma'am, yesterday sir has told about the class, but Vijay sir has forgotten to announce about this class, ma'am. So that's why we three have listened it, and others may not join, ma'am, because we have not a common group, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Sir, again.
ରାତି ହେଲାଣି କି?
हाँ ନାଇଁ ଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟ କରିନୁ ୱେଟ୍ କରୁଛୁ ଆପଣ ଜଏନ୍ କରନ୍ତୁ।
କିଏ କାହିଁ ଆମକୁ ଜଏନ କରୁନାହାନ୍ତି?
କରୁନା ଅଜୟ ସାର୍ ହ୍ୟାଲୋ ଅଜୟ ସାର୍
ହ୍ୟାଲୋ
ଓକେ ମୁଁ ସାର୍ଙ୍କୁ କହୁଛି ଅଜୟ ସାର୍ଙ୍କୁ ଫୋନ୍ କରି କହୁଛି ଓକେ। ଓକେ ତାହେଲେ ଆପଣ 2 ଜଣ ଶୁଣିଥିଲେ ନା ଜିତେନ୍ଦ୍ର ସାର୍ ବୋଧେ ବିରଞ୍ଚି ସାର୍ ଜଏନ୍ କରିବେ ସେ ଟ୍ରାଏ କରୁଛନ୍ତି।
Yes, sir. Yesterday I was too late to join. And about 15 minutes later I have joined. But Biranji sir and Rajendra sir have listened that. But Ajay sir has said to Vijay sir to announce about this class. But Vijay sir has forgotten to announce it at the end of the class. After that, Rajendra sir and Biranji sir told me about the class.
Okay, okay, no issue. We will revise that in the next class again. We will just give a brief idea about this today. What we will discuss. Let today discuss one unit there. Okay, we will discuss one unit, and in the next class, rest of the unit we will discuss having because the audio medium and video medium it has mostly similar contents. So we will have class on this video medium, and then again I will recapitulate all the points of this video medium again, and we will discuss the rest 3 unit in the next class. Okay.
Okay,
Uh,
ma'am.
okay, let Biranchi sir join. Ajay sir will take care of it. We will start. Ajay sir, I will start my class. So this is the unit 3, block 2, unit 3, development of courseware for the video medium. So in the last class, we have discussed about the development of courseware for the audio medium. And we know that audio medium and video medium, definitely video medium needs more resources, more time, more effort than the audio medium. But most of the things are similar here. Like in audio medium, there we need to have a script to develop a content in the audio medium. Then we are conveying the message through that script. Again, there are so many features of audio medium by using what we can develop our courseware. And after developing the courseware, we are after producing the courseware, we are also broadcasting that for the access to be accessible by all the participants or the audience. Like that way, in the video medium, these things will be uh, these things are also there in this video medium. But this is I can say that this video medium needs more care, more effort, and more resources to incorporate different kinds of medium into the video. So along with audio, it involves many kind of resources or components. So it is little bit I can say more complex than audio medium, and needs more cost, more time, and more effort. So in this unit, we are going to cover planning a video medium, then how to plan a video program for developing a courseware. Like we discussed now, it has more similarity with the audio program or courseware in a audio program. Like first point we can see here, the first point is need survey. That means survey of the audience or the targeted population for whom we are going to develop the video program. Then pedagogic potential of the video medium. In the audio medium also we have discussed regarding the strengths and the weakness. Like way, in program, for video program, definitely there are some potential for this video medium, and maybe some of the weakness of this program. So that strength and weakness or the potential of the video medium we will discuss in this unit. Then what type of content, need a video medium uh, to deliver that content medium, that also will we will discuss here. Then how to formulate objectives, then message designing, format, space and style, structuring and treatment, development of concept notes, script writing and storyboard preparation. So these are the things that we will cover under planning a video program. That means when we are planning a video program, we need to take care of all these points that are reflected here. The next part is, now planning is completed. Now we are going to produce the video programs, and during the production we will have shooting, and after shooting, editing of the shooted program. This post production stage, we will pre-test and will have a review on the program that is developed, because before disseminating the video program, we must test it to know its effectiveness, know its relevancy, know its appropriateness. Now, if it is right or if it is correct, then we will go for delivery of video. And if it requires some kind of review, then at in which stage it needs revision, we will go back to that region. Uh, excuse me. Okay. Again, sir.
କାହିଁ ମତେ ମ୍ୟାଡାମ କେହି ଜଏନ କରୁନାହାନ୍ତି?
Okay, okay. Yeah. So this is all about the content to be covered in this video when we are going for developing a video content or a video program for designing a courseware. So many of the points, I think Jitendra, you got it. Many of the points are similar with audio medium, isn't it? Are you agree with that?
Yes, ma'am.
So next we will go for the last part is evaluation, because after developing a program we must evaluate its effectiveness. After implementation we must study its effectiveness to know what went well, and what should be rectified for the purpose. Now, the first step when you're planning stage, the first step is the need survey. We are very clear about this because in the when we have discussed regarding development of courseware in the print medium, development of the courseware in the audio medium, we have discussed regarding this audience survey or the needs survey. Here, audience is who is the targeted person or who is the targeted peoples for whom we are going to develop the courseware. So for that, when we are going for need survey, we want the audience profile and their need and their interest, because basing on their need and interest, and by knowing the demographic information, we will develop our courseware. So in the demographic information, we are covering the age, gender, marital status, number of children, occupation, annual income, educational level, and other such factors that will that has relationship with the program. In the first class, we have taken one example, like suppose the audience are the in-service teachers, then what kind of program it should be, and when they will avail the program, it must be known to the known to the content designer or the courseware designer. Like that way, needs and interest, because it varies, and also it has its impact on the courseware designing, because if the courseware will not meet the needs and interest of the audience, then it will not hold their attention and it will be not effective for them. So demographic information and needs and interest must be surveyed when we are surveying their need. So by using questionnaires, by using interviews, we can survey the need of the audience. Then the next step is the pedagogic potential of video medium. That means when we need for a video medium, because we know that courseware designing, if it is available in the print medium, if we can prepare a audio medium courseware, then what is the need of video medium? When we are thinking of creating a courseware in the video medium, what contexts are there? What situation uh, uh, what situation told us that no, we should go for a video medium? What things are happening? Why we are not able to meet the purpose of the courseware when we are designing that courseware in the print medium? Then so many factors are there. Like first one is demonstrate experiments or phenomena, because when we want to demonstrate experiments or phenomena, then suppose in print medium we are writing the steps of the demonstration or any experimentation, then do we think that will give a real experience to the child or the to the target group? Suppose we are explaining about the experiment. We have seen that in our science book many of the instances, like experiment one, in this way the experiment is happening, that suppose for photosynthesis or the presence of starch, one experiment is given in class 6 when we are studying regarding our food and nutrition, carbohydrate, presence of carbohydrate. Suppose one step by step one experiment has been explained. Do you think from your experience you can say that kind of written steps for experimentation, it gives you real experience? Does it gives you real experience, the writing part of the experiment?
Ma'am, the steps cannot give the real experience, but we have to remember the step. But if it is designed in such a way, like video presentation or animation, it is will be more attractive and helpful for us to remember.
Definitely. So you have mentioned the right thing, that we are just remembering the things because it may come in the exam, teacher may ask about that. So just for that, for the sake of that, we are remembering the steps of the experiments. But in the real context, if we'll say, we are just remembering, having no experience, no excitement in that, because we are not excited. After that, what will happen? Because we are not seeing that, sometimes we have not seen the iodine, we have not seen, we have not experienced when we will put a leaf in the alcohol, it gets white. We don't have that kind of experience, so we cannot imagine what happens, and is it happening or not. These things we are not aware of that, because now what I've told, it is given in the class 6, and all of us, maybe from arts background, maybe from science background, maybe from commerce background, we all have studied our class 6 science. But I think many of them cannot tell, even if the science student, they cannot tell what kind of experiments are given in the 6th class, because we just read the experiment that is given in the book. We have not understood, we have not gone through, we have not exposed, explored, and we are not excited at that time to know, because we have to remember at by any cost and write it the exam if it comes. So କିଛି ବି excitement ଆମର ନଥିଲା, ଯେତେବେଳେ ବହିରେ ଅଛି ମାନେ forcefully we are reading that, we are memorizing that, and if in exam it comes, we are writing very nicely, but by not understanding any point. So here the pedagogic potential of the video medium is that we can demonstrate the experiments. And what kind of experiment we will demonstrate here? Suppose we don't in our I'm taking the example of science, because mostly we know that experiment is not confined to science, but most of the experiments we are doing in the science, and we all have that experience from our school classes. So courseware is not that it is limited to school or any science, but I'm taking example for your understanding. Okay, so suppose we are conducting we want to conduct one experiment that only needs ସମସ୍ତେ ଜାଣିଥିବ ଯୋଉ ମହମବତୀ ଜଳେଇବା, ଗ୍ଲାସ ଟାକୁ ଢାଙ୍କି ଦେଲେ କେତେ ସମୟ ପରେ ମହମବତୀ ଲିଭିଯିବ, that is the presence of carbon dioxide. It proves the it helps to know about the presence of carbon dioxide. और जो चूनो पानी करिबा ताको फुंकिबा ताको टर्न तार कलर रे कोन चेंजेस आसुची, like this kind of experiment. So that kind of experiment जोटा कि मैं फर्स्ट कहली कि मोमबत्ती जळाइबा, ग्लास टा ताको ढांकी दबा, जदी किछि समय पर मोमबत्ती टा लिभि जाउची, चूनो पानी की फुंकिबा, ए जो एक्सपेरिमेंट पुरा का कहूची, are these do you think these experiments need more time and more cost, and cannot be demonstrated in the school? Do you think that?
Ma'am, this experiment can be done in the school practically, ma'am. But
Practical, because
the teacher, yes, ma'am. But teacher doesn't show any interest to do that. But they only read about that and ask to remember this.
because yes, it says the next part, the teacher is not taking interest, but we know that for that one glass is required, one candle is required. So that kind of experiment can be done in the classroom, isn't it? So that kind of experiment, if it can be done, it can be demonstrated in the classroom, and we can provide opportunity to each and every student to perform that kind of experiment in the class, then we must try for real experience. But in some instances, suppose for a experiment it needs very important and costly chemical and very costly equipment, and very rarely available equipment for the schools, because school has some budget provisions, and within that, if the thing is not coming, then that kind of, and suppose to each and every school we cannot provide that kind of chemicals and equipments, it is available to certain schools, that meets the purpose, or the schools that has more number of students and meets some kind of criteria, then in that case, to give opportunity to all the students to avail the scope of observing an experiment, we can use the video medium. ता माने जो कंडीशन रे सब पिलांक पई आमे अवेलेबल करि पारुने गोटे डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन को और एक्सपेरिमेंट को, ड्यू टू due to many of the reason, if it is not available to all the student, then to provide the opportunity to all the student, we can go for the video medium. And in some cases, if we discuss about the courseware, again जदि डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन एक्सपेरिमेंट कथा कहली, सपोज आम कोर्सवेयर कथा जदि कहबा, आम गोटे कोर्सवेयर रे साइंस बेस्ड हो बा किछि एक्सपेरिमेंट बेस्ड नोच, निहाती भाबरे डेफिनेटली इट विल dominate over the print medium, because print medium ଯେତିକି କ୍ଲାରିଟି ଆଉ ଯେତିକି ଅଣ୍ଡରଷ୍ଟାଣ୍ଡିଂ ହବ, definitely video medium will give us the real experience, and we will get the scope to explore the thing through direct observation. जदिव आमे कहबा आमे से प्लेस रे ना हो, but the situation it was created by the video medium will give us a real life like experience. So it is better than the situation not having the experiment. So जदि आमे आजिकली सेति पे ICT integrate हला परे, nobody can say that we don't have that kind of opportunity. If we have the ICT facility, then we can observe that things are happening in the world. In the suppose we have the smartphone, that smartphone creates opportunity to hold the world in our hand. So it is best understood, because nowadays it is anything we want at any time, we are searching in the web. So that is the best example of that. We are searching in the web for the text, and most of the time we are searching for the videos, because video, that means somebody is explaining about something, and that gives more clarity. So this is the pedagogical potential of the video medium, that the print medium that cannot create interest among the audience, the things that is not reachable to the audience, it can be availed by the audience through this video medium. Next, demonstrate correct procedures of using tools or equipments. Definitely, when the video medium uh, explains the demonstration or demonstrates some activity or some experiments, then it also demonstrates how to use the different equipments. I think you all have definitely you all have seen or you have explored that when some activity is demonstrated in the video medium, in YouTube you can see, when they're using any kind of the material, they first gives the explanation of the material is being used, then how to handle the material, and what is the role of the material. That means when we are demonstrating anything, the important part is how to handle the tools and the equipments, and how to go step by step. So if the demonstration will not have the clarity, then it will be difficult for the student or for the target group to understand the concept. So demonstration gives idea about the correct procedure and how to use the tools and equipments through this video medium. Then demonstrate changes over time. That means over time many changes are occurring, but we are not it is not observable. It is happening in our surrounding, but the changes we cannot mark it. Suppose if you will say that development in a human's life, okay, some days before we are in the childhood stage, then we came to adolescent stage, then we came to adult stage, then adulthood, then old age. You think of that, when the changes are occurring in our body and mind, Are we able to mark, yes, today this is being changed, okay, day after tomorrow this is changed? Is it visible to us? आमे के जानी पारले कि को दिन केमतिया चेंजेस गुड़ाक है? आमको क्लियर है कि जो चेंजेस होची ओवर टाइम आमे ताको मार्क करि पारुथिले कि? Yes,
No,
I'm
ma'am.
no, it is difficult to mark the change. Yes, we can experience, we can feel that yes, something has been changed after seeing the result, after seeing the outcome. किछि गोटे आउटकम आसला पर ओ चेंज ता एतिकी हेइ साले, बा हाइट रे हो, बा हमर वॉइस रे हो, हमर फिजिकल फीचर्स रे हो, और हमर नेचर रे हो, हमर इमोशन रे हो, किछि चेंजेस आसला पर हम कहू यस दिस पीरियड हैज बीन अचीव्ड, बट से चेंज ता को हमें देखि पारुनी. But through video medium, we can demonstrate how the changes are occurring. Okay, how the changes are occurring, it can be shown. ताको हमें relay करके देखाई परिबा, so that it can be understood by somebody. So आम भितर कौन changes होची, कौन कोठु केमिति होची, इटा गोटे animated करके हमें देखाई परिबी. Yes, it is, this situation, these things are changed. So this is the result of the change over time, and these things are happening during the process. Like that way, illustrate abstract principles. Many of the principle or concepts are there in our surrounding, or happenings are there in our surrounding that are difficult to understand. Abstract माने तमे समस्ते बुझिथिबो concrete and abstract. Suppose concrete means it is visible to us. It is visible to us. Suppose we can say different shape of a material. That may be square, triangle, rectangle, any of the shape. आमे देखि पारुचे. That is concrete जिनस को आमे देखिले. आमे ताको कहि दोचे. But when we are calculating the area, the perimeter of any space, आमे तार जो formula को derive करिचे, formula को represent करिले, और आमे कहि परिबे ए जो फॉर्मूला को आनिला कि कोन कोन करके आमे डिराइव करले, आमे रिलेट करी करी करले, ताको हमको देखा जाउनी. यस इट इज कहार वॉल्यूम टा केते हमको देखा जाउनी, हमको ताको गोटे मेजरमेंट नै कि हम ताको कन्वे करूचे. लाइक दैट वे केते स्टार अछंती, कोन अछि हमर यूनिवर्स रे, आमे ताके एम्ति देखि पारुनी. जस्ट तार किछिटा इंस्टेंस को आमे देखि पारुचे, बट तार गोटे आइडियाज को आमे ड्रॉ करि पारि कि आमे ताकू आम एब्स्ट्रैक्ट प्रिंसिपल को बुझी पारछे जे हाँ एतिकी ग्रह अछंती, एतिकी हमर एतिकी प्लैनेट अछंती, कंपोनेंट यूनिवर्स रे ए सब जिंसोडा क अछंती, हम सेमति बुझी पारछे. सेम साइंस रे सपोज इन आवर बॉडी डाइजेशन, सर्कुलेशन, ए सब जिंसोडा को होजे जोटा कि हम देखि पारुने कि फील भी करि पारुने. आम एबे समस्ते बसचे आम सुनुचे आम भितर ब्लड सर्कुलेशन होउची, बट कौन होउची, केमिति सर्कुलेशन होउची, आमे ताकू कोन फील करि पारछे, करि पारुने. सो दैट थिंग्स that we cannot see directly and we can't feel it is the abstract principles and concepts that is happening. And to understand that, video medium helps us. Suppose em tebe kahil blood circulation hochi, heart ke emti blood jauchi, pumping hochi, so that is the abstract concept for us, because this is not visible to us, but through the video we can see how it is happening. ସେଥିପାଇଁ କୁହାଯାଉଛି illustrate, but exactly that is happening in my body. I'm not saying that. এটা ଗୋଟେ representation ଆମେ ଦେଖଉଛେ. It represents that this, like this way it is happening. This is the representation. जो animated video देखुछे, that is the representation or illustration. So abstract principles can be illustrated by taking the video medium to give clear understanding about the principles and the concepts. Then demonstrate practical activities to be carried out by students. So how to do the practical activities? Activities, that means beyond experiment, not only experiment, some activity, live activity, or activity माने सब बड़े भावनी जे experiment means we are going through some scientific approach by using some kind of material. We are doing that things. But activity means anything that we are doing in a day, anything, and we are learning from that are the practical learning activities. जहाँ भी आमे करूचे जोठ भी किछि सिखुचे सेटा आमे कुआ होची learning activities or practical activity. So demonstration of practical activities are also possible by this video media. Then substitute for a field visit. We all know that if we are planning field visit, definitely gives the real experience to the child. We all know that. ଆମେ ସମସ୍ତେ ଜାଣିଛେ field visit ଟା ଗୋଟେ real experience ଦଉଛି. But you think that if we are arranging a field visit for the audience, then what it needs? कौन सब दरकार पड़िबा हमको जदि हम field visit पे गोटे प्लान करिबा? गोटे field visit जदि हम प्लान करिबा for the learning purpose, then what we need for that?
Especially if we want for a field visit, then we first think that we need money, and then we need time, ma'am. It will consume our time also, and we have to arrange it with proper planning. Otherwise, it will not be successful. And if the field visit is not well planned, then we couldn't achieve our objective.
Yes, thank you. So field visit में हमर प्लानिंग दरकार, हमर कॉस्ट दरकार, परमिशन दरकार, पुणी केते सेटा हम पई केते फिजिबल होची से सब जिंस दरकार. सो एते जिंस भाबी कि गोटे प्लान करियर से डिफिकल्ट टास्क ऑलवेज. छोट पिला बोली नुहे आमे भाबुचे छोट पिला को नै गले खाली रिस्क फैक्टर, बड़ पिला को नेले रिस्क फैक्टर नै. सब स्टेज रे फॉर whom we are prepare, we are planning for a field visit means first we are taking the responsibility of it, then we are thinking of how the field visit we are going to conduct, how many participants will be there, then where to go, how to go, and what kind of facility we can provide to them. So एते जिंस जतबेला रहुची ताको सब प्लान करिवा इज रियली अ डिफिकल्ट टास्क, बट if we can provide that experience through a video medium, then easily we can do it. So ei jota hala amar hala video medium re potential. Definitely a real field visit will not replace the experience with the video medium, but to some extent we will be able to do it. Video medium सबबळे आमे कहि परिबा जे वीडियो देखे देले सेही रियल एक्सपीरियंस मिली जिवो, बट एटी आमे कहि परिबा किछि न हबाटू एटा निहाती भाबरे भलो जिंस. आम पाखरे जति हमर ऑप्शन रहु नथिला कि आमे गोटे वीडियो मीडियम रे तांको आमे देखै परिबा, एबे कि हमको ऑप्शन मिलुची कि आमे रियल रे न देखै परले भी से सेम हैपनिंग को सेम अकरेंस को आमे तांको वीडियो रे देखे कि किछिटा एक्सपीरियंस देई परिबा. डेफिनेटली इट इज बेटर देन नथिंग. सो these are the pedagogic potential of the video medium. Then these things what we have discussed here are related to the presentational features. That means when we are presenting through the video medium, then what benefits we are getting. So these are the presentational features. Next comes to stop, rewind, and replay. That means video has the accessibility for stopping where we want, rewind if we want to listen, sorry, we want to have the experience again, we want to see the video again, and replay for our clarity. Recording class suppose गोटे हमर अछि, हमें जोटी चाहिबा सेठी हमें ताको स्टॉप करिबी, हमें भाबी परिबा जे कोन केते की बुझिली. हमें नाउ डेज also videos are available with interactive videos are available. That means किछिटा गोटे देखेला परे पुन गोटे किछि क्वेश्चन रहूची, we are giving correct response that indicates that we have understood the video, and it plays again, say to play he jauchi. But if we are unable to answer, then again it is coming back and we need to watch the video from the first फ्रॉम द फर्स्ट पार्ट एमतिया मध्ये इंटरैक्टिव करा जाउची तमे रिकॉर्डिंग क्लास को हमें जेमिति चाहिबा जेतेले चाहिबा जेतिकी चाहिबा देखिबा आ हम बुझिबा पे यूज करि परिबा लाइक दैट वे रिलेट कंक्रीट एग्जांपल्स विथ एब्स्ट्रैक्शन जेमति कि हमकु तुमको एबे एग्जांपल गोटे देइथिली एटा गोटे स्पेसिफिकली कहैछि वीडियोस गिव्स रियल लाइफ एक्सपीरियंस प्रेजेंटेशनल फीचर्स से जदि विषय रहउछि रिलेट करि परिबा डेली लाइफ से तो बिकॉज लर्निंग रा गोटे मेजर एस्पेक्ट होछि दैट लर्निंग नॉट कन्फाइंड टू एनी बुक एनी कोर्सवेयर इट इज रिलेटेड टू आवर डेली लाइफ जदि हमें किछि भी जिंस लर्न करले सपोज हमें एटी पढुचे आईसीटी रो डिफरेंट कंपोनेंट्स एंड हाउ टू डेवलप ऑडियो वीडियो एंड प्रिंट मीडियम आर एप्लिकेबिलिटी नुहे जे हमें खाली एग्जाम पेपर लिखिबा आर एप्लिकेबिलिटी केते बळे हबो न जेते हमें डेली लाइफ सिचुएशन रे आकु इंटीग्रेट करी के हमती कोर्सवेयर तयारी करि परिबा और जो कोर्सवेयर तयारी हेछि ता नेचर को बुझी कि ताको हमें रिवाइज करि परिबा और इफेक्टिवली वी कैन यूज द कोर्सवेयर दैट इज अवेलेबल टू अस that says about the real experience that means we are relating whatever we are learned with the real things so relate concrete examples with abstraction is the scope this is the scope given by this video medium so presentational feature gote rahila ame taku interactive kari pariba जोटी चाहिबा स्टॉप करिबा रिवाइंड करिबा रिप्ले करिबा एंड एटा सहित हम एक्सपीरियंस बा जोटा हम रियल लाइफ सहित हम कनेक्ट करि परिबा then now we have understood the pedagogical potential of each video medium now what kind of content we must select to develop the video medium in the last class we have discussed what kind of content we will choose for the audio medium can anyone give example of the audio medium contents ko content ko hame best suited for audio medium kotha aitile and anyone
And play. That means the Gittinatya.
yes okay that is the features आमे को भले कंटेंट को आमे को जे वीडियो न हले भी चलिबो ऑडियो ऊपर आमे गुरुत्व देउथिले वीडियो न हले भी चलिबो को भले कंटेंट जो थरे जेमति गीति नाट्य कहले सीन न हले भी जदी यस यस
मैडम ड्रामा
हां यस
Quiz.
ड्रामा गीति क्विज
Group
these are the
discussion.
features okay आपण मन जोटा कहउछन these are the features or format of audio medium कहले पर से जो फॉर्मेट रे हम डेवलप करचे कंटेंट को टाइप रो कंटेंट हम सिलेक्ट करजे व्हाट काइंड ऑफ कंटेंट वी आर सिलेक्टिंग to prepare a audio medium content because the content that depends or that focuses on the audio part suppose kar dialoguing the person is not important rather the dialogue the voice is important isn't it जदि आम कि गोटे कहूचे कहवा ग्रुप डिस्कसन आमर जदि आमर जो कंटेंट और द थीम इज इम्पोर्टेंट सो इन दैट केस वी कैन हैव ए ऑडियो मीडियम सपोज आमर टॉक सब वी वांट टू नो अबाउट जेन एग्जांपल देथिले हमें जगन्नाथ रज संक्रांति पर आम जानिबा को चाहूचे रज गोटे बड़ पर्व सपोज ता विषय आम जानिबार अछि सो इट इज कन्फाइंड to the content that is delivered by the person or talk given by a person who is that person it is not concerned it is concerned that what the person is saying से the voice रो audio रो importance रहिछि सेति पे आमे ताकू नौचे कि हां सेटा को आमे गोटे ऑडियो कंटेंट तयारी कर पे कारण से जहा कहू छनी दैट इज इंपोर्टेंट हु इज सेइंग इज नॉट सो इंपोर्टेंट बिकॉज़ तांको इंट्रोडक्शन हमें ऑडियो रे भी देई परिबा कि हां ए पर्सन कहू छनी जहार के एथरे बहुत अभिज्ञता रही माने ऑडियो मीडियम को कंटेंट पे करले आमे ता पर्पस को फुलफिल करि परिबा एठी सेमते हमें कथा हो जे व्हाट काइंड ऑफ कंटेंट कैन बी सिलेक्टेड to be delivered through video medium that means video medium re dekheba nihati darkar just now we have discussed many of the abstract concepts are there that cannot be understood by the students by the audience through this text or images so that needs video. Like I have given one example of circulatory system in the human body. That means we, by reading the steps or the organ involved in circulatory system and how it is happening, we are reading and we are getting some clarity. But if you see the animated video, it gives us more clarity about how the circulatory system is functioning, what are the organs involved in that, what is the role of the specific organs in the circulatory system, and if one organ will not work, then how it will affect the circulatory system. All these things we can see through this animated video. So content selection, when we'll go for that, then visually unique, that means never seen before. The things that are never seen before or unique for presentation should be taken for video content. That means जोटा आम चारिपट जमी आम कथा होते कैंडल उपरे ग्लास टाकू रखिदेबा सेटा समस्ते करिपारिबा जदि सेही जिंस वीडियो देखेबा बहुत जण इंटरेस्ट नेबे नाही बिकॉज इट इज नॉट यूनिक एटा हम समस्ते करिपारिबा हम घरे भी करिपारिबा सो व्हाट इज द यूनिकनेस ऑफ दैट काइंड ऑफ कंटेंट काहे कि पिला ताकू देखिबा को पसंद करिवे व्हाई समवन विल डिमांड फॉर दैट काइंड ऑफ कंटेंट इफ इट इज easily available, easily seen to us. Second, inspiring. The video should motivate viewers to act as per the message. That means if the video is prepared, that must rely on the need and interest of the audience so that it will motivate them. The video ta jodi motivate korne o eita to dekho cheta mu janithili, then it will not inspire. Then doable. In case the video teaches a skill like how to take blood sample for a blood test, that means seta nihati proper procedure udaka step by step it must make us clear so that we can act like that way presented in the video. Doable means we will be able to do by following the instruction given in the video. Then enriching. The video needs to enable learner to understand new things, attitudes, and skills. That means the video should self-explanatory and very clear. All the steps, all the things should be very clearly explained in the video so that the person or the individual or the audience who will follow the video will get a clear understanding of the happening and can use it properly. Then out of box. So video suppose what example neba kichi bi content am book re deich, we should not go line by line and the thing that is given in the book in the straight way in the video. When we are preparing a video, that content is fixed. Yes, from this video the student will get this message, that is fixed, but the way of or the presentation style of the video should be different so that it will attract the student. किछि innovative way हेथिबो problem solve करिवार, किछि daily life रो situation को जोड़ी पारि थिबो, किछिटा गोटे नुवा जिंस देखाई थिबो जोटा कि curious करिवो गोटे पिल्ला को. One person will feel curious about the thing to listen to see the video. So out of box ता माने जेमती गोटे प्रिंट मीडियम रे दिया hi जाउची बा गोटे टेक्स्ट बुक रे रिप्रेजेंट कराइची सेही भले न हे कि केते बेटर वे रे केते डिफरेंट वे रे नीड एंड इंटरेस्ट को आखि अगर रखी के हमें ताको प्रेजेंट करि परबा. So that innovative way of problem solving will definitely engage the learner for more times. Now the next step, now content is being selected. Now we will formulate the objectives. So objectives, when we are going for formulation of objectives, then we are we are asking questions to ourselves like, what do you expect from your audience to do? That means objective speaks about what the audience will do after the delivery of the content or the courseware ta tiyari heigala seta pila mane go through karle. After that what they will do, what they will be able to do is the objective of the content. What do you expect your audience to think? ଏତିକି କଣ୍ଟେଣ୍ଟ ଯଦି ମୁଁ ଭାବୁଛି କି ଗୋଟେ କୋର୍ସ ତିଆରି କରୁଛି, ୟା ପରେ ସେମାନେ କେମିତି ଚିନ୍ତା କରିପାରିବେ, then how do you desire them to feel? ସେମାନେ କେମିତି ଫିଲ୍ କରିବେ? ସୋ ଏଇ ଯୋଉ ତିନିଟା ଜିନିଷ ଆସିଲା, ଆମେ କଗ୍ନିଟିଭ ଥିଙ୍କିଂ ପ୍ରୋସେସ, ସାଇକୋମୋଟର ଡୁଇଂ ଯୋଉଟା ଆମେ କହିଲେ ଆକ୍ଟିଭିଟିଜ, and affective domain is the feelings or emotion. So देखो ऑब्जेक्टिव ଯେତେବେଳେ ଲେଖିବା ତିନିଟା ଆସ୍ପେକ୍ଟ କୁ ଆଖି ଆଗରେ ରଖା ଯାଇଛି, ଯୋଉଟା କି ତିନିଟା क्वेश्चन ଆମେ रिलेट କରି ପାରୁଛେ. What do you expect your audience to do? That is the practical thing, that is the activity or psychomotor domain. What do you expect your audience to think? That is cognitive process. Then how do you desire them to feel? Then how they are feeling. What a courseware video medium available to our students. After going through that, how they feel about the courseware that is prepared in the video medium. Sometimes we are comparing between audio medium and video medium, so that we are saying yes, this medium is more or better than the audio medium or better than the video medium. In this way, the print medium is better than both these because of this. So এই যে ফিলিংসটা আমার ভিতরে আসুଛି কি yes it is better than that or that is better than this, because we have desire for that kind of that particular medium due to some potential the medium has. ଯାହାର ଯୋଉ ପୋଟେନ୍ସିଆଲ, ସପୋଜ ଗୋଟେ କଣ୍ଟେଣ୍ଟ ମତେ ପ୍ରିଣ୍ଟ ରେ ହିଁ ଭଲ ଲାଗିଲା, ଅଡିଓରେ ମୁଁ ବୁଝିପାରିଲି ବଟ୍ କ୍ଲିୟର କଟ୍ ଆଇଡିଆ ପାଇପାରିଲିନି, ବା ଭିଡିଓ ମୁଁ ଦେଖିଲି ବହୁତ ବୁଝିଲି କିନ୍ତୁ ଯୋଉ ପଏଣ୍ଟ ୱାଇଜ ଡିସ୍କସନ ଟା ମୁଁ ପାଇପାରିଲିନି, ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ପ୍ରିଣ୍ଟ ମିଡିୟମ ବି ମୋ ପାଇଁ ଭଲ ହେଇପାରେ. ସୋ ମୋର ଡିଜାୟାର ଯୋଉ ଫିଲିଙ୍ଗସ ଯୋଉ ଅଛି ଭିଡିଓ ମିଡିୟମ ଭିତରେ ମୁଁ ଏମିତି କମ୍ପେୟାର କରିକି ବି ବୁଝିପାରିବି yes how do I feel for this particular video program or video courseware. Then here example given how to write the or how to formulate the objectives, right? After watching the video you'll be able to explain the effect of sound pollution. Suppose we are giving one content, the content is about sound pollution, then after the video we are thinking that the audience or the students will be able to explain the effect of sound pollution and describe the ways to address the problem of sound pollution. Suppose these two things we expect from the audience after going through the video instruction or video courseware program. Second example, compare the features of plants growing in desert and in water body. Suppose we are discussing a content regarding plant habitat, the plants present in different desert or in the land or in the water body. So ଯଦି ଆମେ ସେ content କୁ focus କରୁଛେ, then after watching the video how the students are able to compare between the plant growing in desert and in the water bodies. Then explain the adaptive features of aquatic and desert plant. जोटा आम कथा होतिले जे सेमानक थीम ही होची प्लांट रो हैबिटेट एक्वाटिक एंड डेजर्ट प्लांट, देन सेमाने तार अडप्टिव फीचर को बुझे पारिबे, तांको भीतर कंपेयर कर पाबे जे दीज आर द ऑब्जेक्टिव्स ऑफ द in this way we can formulate objective for the content. So जो भी content नेबे, after that content delivery of the content पिला माने कोन करि पारिबे, that is the objective of the content. Then now we are clear about the content selected for video medium and formulation object. We have formulated objective for that. Now what kind of message we want to give through this audio medium? Okay, so here first point is when we are designing the message, before that we must understand it is the tailoring of the content. Tailoring means what exactly we want, that must be focused, because content, suppose एमती आमे कहले sound pollution, it is not a small concept. सब छोट पिला माने भी साउंड पॉल्यूशन पढुचंदी, ग्रेजुएशन लेवल ले भी साउंड पॉल्यूशन पढुचे, पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन लेवल ले भी हमें पढुचे. तो what the audience need, it must be targeted or tailored. केति की दरकार, जेमती कि हमें कपड़ा 2 मीटर किनी देले, बट जेते बडा हमें सिलाई करूचे केतिकी दरकार को कौन तैयारी करछे और केतिकी दरकार पड़िबो से हिसाब रे से सेफ हिसाब रे जेमते हमें काटुचे कंटेंट हमें कलेक्ट करनेले बट फॉर द पर्टिकुलर लेवल of the audience how what kind of content and how much content is required it must be or what message should go in what what amount of message will go it must be decided at the first step then steps for designing message so according many jo dekhucho according to lekha that means on the basis of their research it is said that when we are deciding message designing message for any content or any video program so first we should think that jetebole ame audience ko pen tiyari karuche so to hook the interest to keep the attention to hold the attention of the audience to hook their interest we must begin with some unexpected events something unique something curious କିଛି ଗୋଟେ ଏମିତି ଗୋଟେ ଇନସିଡେଣ୍ଟ କଥା କହିବା ଯୋଉଟା ଓ କଣ ହବ ଆଗକୁ ସେ ଜାଣିବାକୁ ଇଚ୍ଛା ହବ ସେମାନଙ୍କୁ so like that things should be placed at the first step then inform learners about expected outcome that ସବୁବେଳେ ଯେତେବେଳେ whenever we are dealing with any kind of content we must inform about the objective in the first hand what is the objective of the lesson suppose today when we are discussing this unit 3 you knows that in this unit 3 what points we are going to cover and through that point what in what thing will get clarity and what we can use in our daily life so प्रथम जेतले हम कंटेंट डिस्कशन करले तमे सेइठु बुझी गलणी कि वीडियो कंटेंट रे हम कोन डिस्कशन करबा हाउ इट इज रिलेटेड टू ऑडियो मीडियम हाउ इट इज डिफरेंट फ्रॉम द ऑडियो मीडियम आ जदी जहा बुझीबा सेतरा हम कोन करिबारे केमती सेटा हमको वीडियो ऑडियो मीडियम रु केमती डिफरेंस अछि बुझिया रे सहाय्य करिबा एंड हाउ इट विल हेल्प अस टू प्रिपेयर ए वीडियो कंटेंट एटा हम बुझी सारजे सो दैट एक्सपेक्टेड आउटकम मस्ट बी inform to the learner so that the learner will assess their learning yes mu jetike be buझिली एटा निहाते मते एटा करिबारे सहाय्य करि परिबो और करि परिबोनी सपोज तुमको प्रिंट मीडियम रे हम बुझे सालनी ऑडियो मीडियम बुझी सालनी आफ्टर दैट you are assessing yourself or not कि मु जदी प्रिंट मीडियम बुझिली now I can design a courseware or not if I have understood the video medium and different formats like ebe samaste jemti example apna mane dele drama gitinato jota be example dele suppose you will be asked to write a script for that to prepare a video sorry audio content so tome apna man janchani ki mate ko jinsa tare mu bujhi parchi kon mor mu ketiki janichi and on the basis of that mu ketiki kari paribi is it clear or not to you एति बुझिला पर आपण माने क्लियर हेचन माने निजु को असेस करि परछन ना नै कि हमें कोन
Yes,
बुझिचु
ma'am.
केति बुझिचु हमें कोन करि परिबो isn't it so because you are informed about the expected outcome and that helps you to know what is your learning level what you can do and what you cannot do and why you can't do କାହିଁକି ତୁମେ କରିପାରିବନି କଣ ଆଉ ଦରକାର ପଡିବ ସେଥିପାଇଁ ଆଉ କଣ ହେଇଥିଲା ଆଉ ଟିକେ କରିପାରିଥାନ୍ତେ definitely it is clear to you next help them to recall previous learning experiences we have discussed in all the medium देखंतु print medium audio medium और video medium जत्ते बळे भी हमें डिस्कशन करूचे सेतरा हम देखिबा कि तीनटा का भीतर गोटे कॉमन रिलेशनशिप रही छि जत्ते हमें डिस्कशन करूचे they are different to in some way but many of the things are similar like एठी भी कुहाला कि जत्ते बळे हमें video medium तैयारी करूचे it must be based on the previous learning experiences then include only relevant information that means message when we are preparing video it must include only relevant information otherwise what it will do because video medium is माने गोटे video medium को आमे without a teacher आमे ताको यूज करछु सपोज मु आपण मान के पीपीटी टा दे थांती सपोज ए पेज टा को पढंतु ए जो पॉइंट उडा को अछि ये जेतेबेले आपण माने पढुछंती जेतिकी क्लैरिटी दबो व्हेन आई एक्सप्लेनिंग ईच पॉइंट सेथिरे आपणकर क्लैरिटी अधिक होउची ना कम होउची पॉइंट अछि आपण माने पढुछंती मु ताको डिस्कस करछि व्हेन in which case you are getting more clarity In which case you are
Whenever
getting
you explain, ma'am.
when we are
Ma'am,
discussing.
yes.
Okay. Yes.
When
When
madam
we
you
are
are explaining all the points clearly, so that we understand every step.
yes, because it is given in 2 to 3 word, 3 ki 4 word lekha hai ଗୋଟେ point, and we are discussing each point by citing some examples. So এটা বেশি মানে ଆମକୁ ବୁଝିବାକୁ ହଉଛି. Suppose ଆମେ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଭିଡିଓଟେ ତିଆରି କରୁଛେ ସେଠି ଆଉ ଟିଚର ଇଣ୍ଟରଫେରେନ୍ସ ଆଫ୍ଟର ଦ ମାନେ ଭିଡିଓ ପ୍ରିପେୟାର ହେଇ ସାରିଲା ପରେ ଆଉ କିଛି ଇଣ୍ଟରଫେରେନ୍ସ ରହୁନି. ଏଇଟା ମୁଁ କଣ କରିଛି ପିପିଟି ପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟେସନ ତିଆରି କରିଛି. ଆଇ ଏମ୍ ପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟିଂ ଇଚ୍ ପଏଣ୍ଟ ଟୁ ୟୁ. So I am interfering with the material. ଏଇ ଯୋଉ material resource ଟା ଅଛି in the form of PPT, ଏଠି ମୁଁ ମୋର ଇଣ୍ଟରଫେୟାର କରୁଛି. ସପୋଜ ଏଇଟାକୁ ମୁଁ ଗୋଟେ ଭିଡିଓ ରେକର୍ଡିଂ କରିଥାନ୍ତି ତାହେଲେ କଣ କରିଥାନ୍ତି ନା ଯେମିତି ପଏଣ୍ଟ ଟାକୁ ବୁଝିବା କଥା ମୁଁ ବୁଝେଇ ଦେଇଥାନ୍ତି. ବଟ୍ in between, if you will get any doubt, then it will not satisfy or it will not answer you. ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ସେଇ ଭିଡିଓ ଶୁଣିକି ହିଁ ନିଜକୁ ବୁଝିବାକୁ ଟ୍ରାଏ କରିବାକୁ ପଡିବ. ବଟ୍ ହିୟର ଦେୟାର ଇଜ ସ୍କୋପ. କିନ୍ତୁ ଆମେ ତ ଡିସ୍କସନ କରୁଛେ 1-to-1 ବା ଏଇ ଯୋଉ ହାଇବ୍ରିଡ ମୋଡରେ, ସୋ ସେଠି ଅନଲାଇନ ମୋଡରେ, ବଟ୍ ଆଇ ଆମ୍ ପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟ ହିୟର. ଆମେ ଖାଲି ଦିଟା ଡିଷ୍ଟାନ୍ସ ଜାଗାରେ ଅଛି, ବଟ୍ ଆଇ ଆମ୍ ପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟ ହିୟର ଟୁ ଡିସ୍କସ୍ ଆଣ୍ଡ ମିଟ୍ ୟୁର ନିଡ୍. ଆପଣଙ୍କର କୋଉଠି ବି ଡାଉଟ୍ ହେଲା ଆପଣ ପଚାରିଲେ ମୁଁ କହିପାରିବି. ସୋ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଭିଡିଓ ଯଦି ତିଆରି କରୁଛେ ଆଉ ସେଇଟା ସେଇଥିରେ ହିଁ ବୁଝିବାକୁ ଆମକୁ ଚାହିଁବାକୁ ପଡିବ, ତାହେଲେ ଆମେ ଭିଡିଓଟାରେ ପୁରା ରିଲେଭାଣ୍ଟ ଇନଫର୍ମେସନ ଦବାକୁ ପଡିବ, ଯୋଉଟା କି ତାଙ୍କର କୌଣସି ମିସଅଣ୍ଡରଷ୍ଟାଣ୍ଡ ନ ହୁଏ, ଗୋଟେ ଆମ୍ବିଗ୍ୟୁଟି ନ ରହେ, and clear information in a synchronized way and coherence maintain କରିକି ଯେମିତି ଅଡିଏନ୍ସ କୁ ଦେଇପାରିବ. ସୋ ରେଲିଭାଣ୍ଟ ଇନଫର୍ମେସନ ଯେତେ ଆମେ ରଖିବା ସେତେ କ୍ଲାରିଟି ଆସିବ, ଯେତେ ଇଫେକ୍ଟିଭ ହବ ସେ ଭିଡିଓଟା, ଆଉ ଯେତେ କ୍ରିପ୍ସି ହବ. ଯେମିତି କହିବା ସପୋଜ ୱିଲ୍ ରେକର୍ଡ ଫର ଏ 45 minute or 1 hour କ୍ଲାସ୍, ବହୁତ ଗୁଡେ ଇନଫର୍ମେସନ ଦେଇଦେବା, ବଟ୍ ଦେଖିବାକୁ ପଡିବ କେତେ ସମୟ ସେଟା ତାଙ୍କର ଇଣ୍ଟରେଷ୍ଟକୁ ହୋଲ୍ଡ କରିପାରୁଛି. ସୋ ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ମୋଷ୍ଟ ରିଲେଭାଣ୍ଟ ଇନଫର୍ମେସନକୁ ନେଇକି ଆମେ ତାଠୁ କମରେ ଯଦି ଭିଡିଓ ଦଉଛେ ଆଉ ସେଟା ଯଦି ଇଫେକ୍ଟିଭ ହଉଛି, ଇଟ୍ ୱିଲ୍ ବି ବେଟର. ତ ଆମର ପର୍ପଜ କଣ? ଆମ ପର୍ପଜ ଯେମିତି ଆମେ 2 hours କ୍ଲାସ ରହିଛି, 2ଟା ୟୁନିଟ୍ ସାରିବା ପାଇଁ ବା ଗୋଟେ ୟୁନିଟ୍ ସାରିବା ପାଇଁ, ଟୋଟାଲ ସାରିବା ପାଇଁ ଆମେ 6 କ୍ଲାସ ରହୁଛି. ଆମେ ଏଠି ଚେଷ୍ଟା କରିବା କେତେ ରେଲେଭାଣ୍ଟ ଇନଫର୍ମେସନ we will provide to you in these classes. Because suppose I will explain and many things and many part again I will left out if the time will cover. It is also not the same thing. କୋଉଟା ଇମ୍ପୋର୍ଟାଣ୍ଟ ଆମ ପାଇଁ ଆଉ ସେଇଟାରେ ଆମେ କେତେ ସମୟ ଦେବା, ଇଟ୍ ହାଜ୍ ଅଲସୋ. ସେମିତି ନୁହେଁ ଯେ ସବୁ ୟୁନିଟକୁ ବି ଆମେ ସମାନ ଟାଇମ ଦେବା. ଇଟ୍ ନଟ୍ ଲାଇକ୍ ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ଅଲସୋ. Because relevant, which one is relevant to us, we should keep focus on that. So include relevant information is the very important aspect of video medium. Then organize the content systematically. kaha pare kon ame organize kariba, then proceed from simple to complex for better understanding. Then give prompts and cues for learning, because as we have discussed there is no other support in the video. So when in the video the explanation is given, then it is supported by some prompts and cues so that the learner can clarify their doubts through this. Then bring variation in the presentation of content to regain learners attention. So variation always leads to new creation. Variation ଯେତେ ଆସିବ ଗୋଟେ ମଜା ଲାଗେ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ନୂଆ ଜିନିଷ ଶିଖିବାର ଗୋଟେ ଇଚ୍ଛାଟା ବି ଆସେ. କାରଣ ଗୋଟେ ସେମ୍ ୱେ ମୋନୋଟୋନସ୍ ଭାବରେ ଗୋଟିଏ ପ୍ରକାର ଯଦି ଡିସ୍କସନ ହଉଥିବ, then you will feel that it has ମାନେ ଏଇଟା ମତେ ସେମିତି କିଛି ଏକ୍ସଟ୍ରା ଲାଗୁନି. So variation is welcoming. ସବୁବେଳେ variation ରହିବା ଦରକାର to hold the learners attention. Then provide examples. Message must provide examples for better understanding. Then provide for practice. Practice means the scope ରହିବା ଦରକାର, questions ରହିବା ଦରକାର, thought provoking questions, case studies ସବୁ ରହିଲେ ସେଟାକୁ practice ପାଇଁ helpful ହବ. Then provide feedback to the students and review. Feedback ବି ରହିବ messageରେ and review, summarization ବି ରହିବ. Then come to, now it is clear about what message will be there and how the message will be designed. Now what is the format, pace and style of the message? Format, when we are discussing okay, So what is the format of the sorry, what is the format of the video? Suppose ଆମେ ଗୋଟେ ଭିଡିଓ ତିଆରି କରୁଛେ, କୋଉ ଫର୍ମାଟରେ ରହିବ and କେତେ ସମୟ ପାଇଁ ରହିବ? ଟିକେ ବୋଧେ ଟିକେ ସରି ଟିକେ ମିଷ୍ଟେକ୍ ହେଇଯାଇଛି ପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟେସନରେ, because format, it is about style, it is about pace. Okay, this is style. Okay, little correction is required. ठीक আছে? Okay, this is the format. Okay, it is clear. So pace, first one is a pace. Pace means kete we suppose a video is very fast, then what happens? The audience may not understand many of the things because the video goes very fast and many contents are covered within a fraction of time. That means it may not match with the audience learning pace. ଯେମିତି ସେ ଢଙ୍ଗରେ ଶିଖିବାର ସ୍ପିଡ ଜଲ୍ଦି ପଢେଇଗଲା, ବହୁତ କମ କହିକି କଲେ ହେରି, ତ ମେ ବି ସେଟା ବୁଝା ନ ପଡିପାରେ. And sometimes if the video goes very slowly, then କେତେ ସମୟ ସେଇ ଜିନିଷ ଦେଖା ହଉଛି, ବୋର ଲାଗିପାରେ, we may feel bored about the video. So the pace should be the pace should be judged from the beginning, how much time we will give to that video so that it can hold the attention of the student. Like that way. Style, what is the style? Suppose video may be studio based or only outdoor or indoor location based. So what style we are going to follow for preparing the video? Suppose if it is in vision presentation mode, then single or double co mode ame karche. Out of vision, that means presenter is voice over is more important, or outdoor रे ଆମେ କରୁଛେ, କୋଉଠି କରୁଛେ, କୋଉ ଜିନିଷଟାକୁ ଫୋକସ କରୁଛେ, ଅବଜେକ୍ଟ କୁ କେତେବେଳେ ଫୋକସ କରୁଛେ, ଭଏସ କୁ କେତେବେଳେ ଫୋକସ କରୁଛେ, କେମିତି ଫୋକସ କରୁଛେ, all these things, the style depends upon that. So ଏଟା ଚଏସ କୁ ଡିପେଣ୍ଡ କରେ କି କାହା ପାଇଁ କରୁଛି, କେମିତି ପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟେସନ ହଉଛି, କୋଉ ଜିନିଷଟାକୁ ଆମର ଫୋକସ ଟା ରହୁଛି. Then comes to our format. Format रे ଯେମିତି ଆମେ କଥା ହେଇଥିଲେ audio medium ରେ, here also many formats are there for the video medium, like documentary, that is based on real issues, or documentary based on some real event that was happened in the past. ଯେମିତି କି ଆମେ କହିବା ଗୋଟେ ହିଷ୍ଟୋରୀର ଡକୁମେଣ୍ଟାରୀ ଭିଡିଓ ଗୋଟେ କରିପାରିବା, ହିଷ୍ଟୋରିକାଲ ପ୍ଲେସର କିଛି ଗୋଟେ ଇନସିଡେଣ୍ଟର ଡକୁମେଣ୍ଟାରୀ ଭିଡିଓ ଆମେ କରିପାରିବା. ସୋ ଡକୁମେଣ୍ଟାରୀ ଭିଡିଓ, ଡେମନଷ୍ଟ୍ରେସନ ଲାଇକ୍ ଏକ୍ସପେରିମେଣ୍ଟ ଆମେ କଥା ହେଲେ, ଇଲଷ୍ଟ୍ରେଟେଡ ଲେକ୍ଚର, because lecture audio medium रे भी हमें सुनूचे, but illustrated lecture को जो when they are giving example, they are demonstrating some example, then that illustrated lecture. Drama, magazine, talk, interview, panel discussion, when we are discussing for a same what a particular theme we are discussing about, that somebody is discussing about in the panel, somebody is telling about the advantage, someone is disadvantage, someone is about the process. So this is the panel discussion. Then quiz, and we all are acquainted with the reality show, that is we can watch in the video or in the TV how the reality shows are recorded. Then hybrid formats, that means more than one format can be used for one for preparing the video. So एति जति video format कहले सब को individual ଆମେ गोटे गोटे करि पारे और समस्त मिसै के गोटे अलगा करि परिबा. एंड जेता सब जाको मिसै के हमें टेक्स्ट, इमेज, वीडियो, ऑडियो, एनिमेशन को मिसै की कर दे, सेतला हमें ताको समटाइम्स मध्ये मल्टीमीडिया भी कहूछ. Then structuring and treatment. ना फॉर्मेट हमर रेडी हे गला, स्लो जिबा ना फास्ट जिबा, केते छोटो करिबा ना बड़ करिबा, स्टूडियो भितरे करिबा ना बाहर स्पेस को नबा, वॉइस आउ काम को दबा ना प्रेजेंटर को हमें बेसी फोकस दबा. All these things it was decided. Now structuring and treatment. So structured into an interesting and clear beginning and end and the subject matter in the middle. ता माने गोटे स्ट्रक्चर करा हला गोटे वीडियो टा हमें करिबा तार फर्स्ट पार्ट रे कौन रहिबो तार एंड पार्ट रे कौन रहिबो सब्जेक्ट मैटर केते कवर करिवो like that way the treatment contains the expanded description of the subject. So treatments means keeping in view of the audience and goal of the production, the treatments provide a brief outline of each scene and probably location for outdoor recording and suggest different types of audio. So what kind of for which scene what is the brief outline and what kind of audio is best suited, what location is there, so all kind of treatment means jaha jota applicable hoji se jinsa ko focus karala. Structure is clear, treatment here this kind of audio is required, here in this scene this location is important. So these are the treatment that should be decided and structured from the beginning. Then development of concept note, that means now it is clear that what we are going to deliver, the content, the structure, the pace, the style, everything is clear. Suppose we are going to we want to develop a video program by taking by using the format of drama. Okay, so drama पे जितला में उटे video program तैयारी करिबा, then गोटे concept note हमको लिखिया पड़े what concept will be covered in that drama. Okay, that is the blueprint for the production. The blueprint says about all the component that will be included in the video. गोटे video program तैयारी हबो, video program रे को जिंस रहिबो, जेमति कि आमे गोटे कहि देले त स्ट्रक्चर टा कहि देला कि एंड रे रहिबो, मझी रे रहिबो, सॉरी स्टार्ट बिगिनिंग रे मझी रे एतिकी रहिबो मेन पार्ट, एंड रे एतिकी पार्ट रहिबो. एटा क्लियर हे गेला स्ट्रक्चर रे. ट्रीटमेंट रे कोठी कोटा को एम्फसाइज दबा सेटा भी आसी गला ना. कांसेप्ट नोट कोन करबे, सब केतिकी कांसेप्ट कवर हबो ए छोटो वीडियो टारे बा एतिकी समय रो वीडियो रे केतिकी कांसेप्ट कवर हबो तार गोटे नोट टे प्रिपेयर हबो. कांसेप्ट ना डजंट मीन कि गोटे वर्ड लेखा हबो सेही थरो मु सपोज फोटोसिंथेसिस, सपोज सर्कुलेशन, कोन कोन कांसेप्ट से मेसेज जिवो सेइथरे, कोन कांसेप्ट जिवो तार गोटे नोट टे तयारी करा जिवो. कारण से कांसेप्ट नोट को प्लान सहित टैली करके ताको डेवलप करा जिवो. Then script writing and storyboard preparation. Now the concept note is ready with us. आमे जानले एतिकी concept को cover करिवार अछि. So basing on that we need to write a script because आमे कथा हेले ड्रामा करिबा ता script अलगा हबो, panel discussion हबो ता script अलगा हबो, magazine will write the script will be different for that. So for the particular format the script will be different. So how to proceed, how to deliver the concept by using a particular format requires the script writing to give a structure to the writing part. Script writing हेगला मतलब structure करी दो. If it is the drama ताले को character कहार dialogue कहा परे कहार रहिबो. If panel discussion, in the panel or group discussion we will be the moderator and we will initiate the question first, then how the discussion will lead, who will ask to whom, how the discussion point will be concluded, all the things will be moderated. So ei bhore amara script writing kara habo and script writing pore storyboard preparation. Storyboard, this is one example of storyboard. Here you can see that is given in your book. Suppose suppose one video we are going to develop, then what visuals we want to show same time with what audio. माने suppose आमे बहुत वीडियो देखिचे, आमे समस्त बहुत वीडियो देखिचे. सपोज गोटे एडवर्टाइजमेंट को नियंतु 30 सेकंड रे गोटे एडवर्टाइजमेंट को नियंतु, एनी एडवर्टाइजमेंट से सर्फ एक्सेल रे हो बा से गोटे क्रिकेट फील्ड रे हो किछि भी कि थम्स अप रे हो किछि भी रे गोटे एडवर्टाइज कथा टिके समस्त इमेजिन करंतु. समस्त इमेजिन करछंती गोटे एडवर्टाइज जहा को जोटा भल लागुची समस्त इमेजिन करले तो ऑल आर इमेजिनिंग वन.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now we think जेते बळे गोटे एडवर्टाइज रे गोटे सीन को जस्ट के मन पकांतो सेते बळे जेते गोटे विजुअल दउची किछ गोटे माने धरा गोटे क्रिकेट फील्ड को फोकस करा गला तो सेही टाइम रे खाली कोन फील्ड देखाउची ना किछि ऑडियो भी आसुची किछि कैरेक्टर भी आसुछंती किछि मूवमेंट भी देखुचे ना नहीं एका बळे.
Yes, ma'am.
सपोज बॉल सपोज बहुत जिनस एका बेले चली सो जिते बड़े गोटे वीडियो रेकर्डिंग हम तो से रेकर्डर जानव जे हाँ जिते बड़े ये बॉल को जो फील्ड को देखेला फोकस तापर बॉल आड़ को केमती गला बॉल आड़ को जाऊँगी साउंड इफेक्ट केमतिया रोचे म्यूजिक टा केमतिया रोचे तापरे नेक्स्ट सीन रे संगे संगे सेठू फोकस टा कुआडे जाऊँगी साउंड रो कौन चेंजेस टा आसुची बैकग्राउंड रे किए सब आसुचंती बैकग्राउंड रो कौन चेंजेस आसुची ऑल द थिंग्स आर रिलेटेड तो एठी कौन है विजुअल्स ऑडियो ओके सो विजुअल को ऑडियो को रिलेट कर जते बड़े गोटे विजुअल रे आसुची टेक्स्ट इंदिरा गांधी नेशनल ओपन यूनिवर्सिटी प्रेजेंट्स गोटे वीडियो रो स्टार्टिंग जते एतिक लाइन आछि along with that some music is coming music is also माने गोटे जते वीडियो स्टार्ट होची गोटे बैकग्राउंड भी आसुची गोटे टेक्स्ट भी आसुची गोटे म्यूजिक भी आसुची सो जते जी एटा को तयारी करछि स्टोरी बोर्ड से लिखिथिबो जते बळे ए विजुअल आसीबो सेते बळे ए म्यूजिक टा बाजिबो जिते बड़े फील्ड टा देखा जिते बॉल टा गड़वा स्टार्ट हम ये म्यूजिक थी गड़ी की जो पहुंचला को से म्यूजिक टा को पिच रे पहुंच केमती एंड हम ऑल थिंग्स विल बी नोटेड इन द स्टोरी बोर्ड visual audio the text teaching about measurement music is there many shots in quick sessions showing children measuring their peers height चलची म्यूजिक देची साउंड इफेक्ट भी रही कोटी कमी जाउची कोटी स्टॉप होउची कोटी बढ़ुची डिफरेंट देन जते प्रेजेंट जते चलची हाउ विल यू टीच द कांसेप्ट ऑफ मेजरमेंट हाउ डिड यू लर्न दिस कांसेप्ट ऑडियो एडिटर आसिला प्रेजेंटेशन चालुची सो द मिड क्लोजअप माने प्रेजेंटेशन रो मिड क्लोजअप सो एमती कौन केते बड़े इंस्टांसेस हबो ताको गोटे स्टोरी बोर्ड रे डिजाइन करा है कि रखा जाए कौन विजुअल्स आसीबो कौन टेक्स्ट आसीबो कौन ऑडियो दिया जाय ओके सो दिस इज द स्टोरी बोर्ड इट डिपेंड्स अपॉन द स्क्रिप्ट जेम लिखा हितिबो कारण गोटे सीन रे जते बळे हमें भी गोटे ड्रामा सिखौचे तमे जते बळे एमती कांदी कथा हबो सेता देखा म्यूजिक जे दउची बैकग्राउंड रे ताको कहूचे दुख जते सीन टा आछबा सैड सीन रे केमते म्यूजिक दबो जते गोटे हैप्पी मोमेंट आछी केमते म्यूजिक दबो से जो जिनसटा को हमें टैली करछे एमते मोमेंट आसला को से तार संग संग म्यूजिक टा चेंज हो जाउची बैकग्राउंड रे किछि लेखा जदि हमें देखि किछि प्रोजेक्ट करूचे त प्रोजेक्ट रे लेखा भी चेंज होची और बहुत ज्यादा देखि तो ड्रामा बळे सीनरी गोटे सीनरी थिबो आ गोटे सीनरी जते जगह को चेंज करबो कि सीनरी टा चेंज होची तांग जगह चेंज बळो को डायलॉगिंग बळो को सा से त के म्यूजिक चेंज होची सो दिस ऑल थिंग्स आर विल ऑर्गेनाइज्ड इन द स्टोरी बोर्ड then script testing and revision now script is ready storyboard is ready now the script is tested यहाँ कौन clear रहिला ना कोडी किछि छाडी हे गला then resi कोन in case of script requires outdoor shooting मतलब हम गोटे outdoor shooting जाउ जे you should go for reconnaissance which means the process of visiting a local for judging its suitability for shooting ओके जते बडा हमें किछि गोटे सपोज हमें कहबा गोटे केदारनाथ मूवी रो एग्जांपल नबा सपोज गोटे हमें केदारनाथ मूवी रो सिचुएशन निहाती जते सेटा पूरा गोटे प्लेस को फोकस करके गोटे मूवीटा व्हेन वी आर रिकॉर्डिंग फॉर दैट डेफिनेटली जो माने हमें अछंती जो डायरेक्टर जे डायरेक्ट करछन जे स्टोरी लिखछन समस्त गोटे रोज माने फर्स्ट को लोकालिटी ऊपर से माने करछन सेटा कंपोनेंट कोन रहिछि लेखा हैला परे सेठी डायरेक्टर कोन देखछन सेठी शूटिंग टा को केमिति को जिंसटा को हमें रियल शूटिंग करि परिबा कोटा को हमें एनिमेटेड करिया को पड़िबो जोटा कि हमें रियल ले देखै परिबानी सो ए जिंसटा को कि विजिट जे आउटडोर शूटिंग हो जे से माने विजिट करछन लोकालिटी टू जज द सुइटेबिलिटी एंड इट इज रिक्वायर्ड कारण हमर स्क्रिप्ट हैला परे हमें देखिया को पड़िबो कोटा हमें बाहर करिबा कोटा को हमें करि परिबानी हमको स्टूडियो रे करिबा को पड़िबो कारण बहुत अगर बहुत इश्यू भी आसे स्कोप थिले भी हमें करि परिबन सो लाइट एटा पॉइंट बहुत गोटे इंपोर्टेंट पॉइंट देन प्रोडक्शन ऑफ वीडियो प्रोग्राम ना प्रोडक्शन ऑफ वीडियो प्रोग्राम जेता हम कहू जे ना शूटिंग हबो प्रोडक्शन माने वीडियो मींस प्रोडक्शन ऑफ वीडियो मींस शूटिंग विल बी डन and editing कारण हमर स्क्रिप्ट रेडी अछि से हिसाब रे स्टोरी बोर्ड रेडी हला नाउ विल शूट द वीडियो प्रोग्राम and as per the need we will edit the video program कोठी किछि सीन जदि हमको मिसमैच लागिला बा रिपीट लागिला बा किछि लागिला तो हमें देन पोस्ट प्रोडक्शन रे कोन करबा हमें पोस्ट प्रोडक्शन रे एबे हम पाखरे वीडियो टा रेडी अछि ताकू आमे रिइभालुएट करिबा रिटेस्ट करिबा कि हाँ जहाँ आम वीडियो रिकॉर्डिंग करदे शूटिंग करदे से केमते देखा जाउछि कौन कौन आमको से चेंजेसटा करिवार अछि रिव्यू हला परे नाउ इट इज रेडी फॉर डिलीवरी तो डिलीवरी केमती कर परिबा ना टेलीकास्ट करि परिबा और लाइव स्ट्रीमिंग करि परिबा और ब्रॉडकास्ट बा वीडियो कास्टिंग करि परिबा सो इन पर्टिकुलर टाइम रे ताको आमे गोटे पर्टिकुलर टाइम कर दउजे सेही टाइम रे ही समस्ते देखिबे टाइम फ्रेम हे गेला द लर्नर हैव टू एक्सेस द वीडियो एट दैट टाइम सेटा हे परिबो और लाइव स्ट्रीमिंग समस्त को गोटे पर्टिकुलर टाइम रे जॉइन करिया पड़ियो वीडियो इज रेडी एंड दैट विल बी लाइव स्ट्रीमिंग इन ए पर्टिकुलर टाइम एंड will be made available after that but the time frame will be there so सेटा लाइव स्ट्रीमिंग भी हे परिबो देन ब्रॉडकास्टिंग भी हे परिबो कि आमे और सीडी वीडियो वे रे मध्ये आमे ताको डेलीवरी करि परिबा सो लाइव स्ट्रीमिंग हे परिबो किछि गोटे जेंदे आमे ज्ञान ई ज्ञान कोर्स कहूचे आमे बा डीडी भारती आमे कहूचे किछि भी चैनल ले हम ताको मध्ये देखै परिबा और ताको आमे सीडी वीडियोस करि कि मध्ये आमे डेलीवरी करि परिबा से गुडाक so this is all about the unit हमर रहिला वीडियो मीडियम सो आमे आजिर डिस्कशन को भाबु जति के आज एतिकी रे रखिबा बिकॉज़ मेनी ऑफ अस टिके हमर डिस्टर्बेंस रहिला जॉइन करि पारने एंड डेफिनेटली इन द नेक्स्ट क्लास आई विल कवर all the points all the units rest 3 unit we will cover in the next class so any doubt in this आमे जति के रहिला यार आ गोटे यूनिट रहिला गोटे हमर दीटा यूनिट रहिला the all the 3 unit I will cover in the next class it may exceed for 30 20 or 15 to 10 minutes but I will complete all the unit in the next class okay कारण टिके डिस्टर्बेंस रहिला को जण जो माने जानि पाले इनफॉरमेशन तापरे मु भी प्रिपेयर थिल के जे मैं गोटे ही डिस्कशन करिबा क्लियर एनी इशू इन दैट
No, ma'am.
okay because it is off time रे मैं गोटे क्लास कले ड्यू टू माय some of my personal work so off time रा क्लास आ 6th रे मु नेबिनी सेटा समस्त जानि थिबे after that the last class I will take and I will cover all the units all the rest units all the 3 तीनटा का यूनिट जेमती आमे बे जाय डिस्कस करचे आज जाय जते डिटेल ले जेमती डिस्कशन करचे आमे लास्ट क्लास में हमर सेति की डिटेल ले ही सब जिंस डिस्कशन हबो एंड द मोस्ट मेजर पार्ट वी हैव कवर्ड बिकॉज़ द कोर्सवेयर डेवलपमेंट is important and course development using print medium using audio medium using video medium these 3 are the mediums by which we are going to prepare our courseware so this is the very important aspect of this paper ए जो पेपर टर the real जिंसटा हला ए तीनटा जिंस जोटा को बहुत एम्फासिस देली सेति पे बिकॉज़ हमको कोर्सवेयर डिजाइन टा को फॉर्म रे होची काहे कि से फॉर्म रे होची से फॉर्म रे करिया पे हमको कोन कोन स्टेप फॉलो करिया पड़िबो सेति के हमको बुझिबार थिला आउ हमें गोटे कोर्स डेवलप करिया ले कोन कोन कंपोनेंट दे करिया सेटा जानि बार थिला so these are the important point that should be covered in this so we have I think I have discussed all the points of these 3 kind of courseware medium in a very detailed way and in the future also I will discuss all the thing I think in this okay any doubt in this
No, ma'am.
any doubt okay so we will leave today for now okay so in the next class we'll discuss the rest part any doubt in the last also I will ask again any doubt if any doubt it will be with you last class we'll cover all this thing thank you all for cooperating with me and giving the opportunity to take the class before the session so that I can cover some of the course units and the last unit will cover all thank you all
Thank you, madam.
Thank you, ma'am.